Welcome to a new video on finance for beginners. In today's video, I am going to teach you how you can collect email address from a web page. With the help of this Chrome extension, you can collect all the email address containing on a web page, and it's simply and free to use. First of all, open Chrome Web Store. From the search bar, search for email extractor. There are a couple of Chrome extensions that perform similar tasks, but I use this email extractor. It have highest rating among all these Chrome extension. Now click on this add to Chrome. A simple pop-up will appear. Click on this add extension. The extension has been successfully added to our Chrome. Now click on this extension icon and pin this email extractor so it will be easy to use. Now source some demo email to test this email extractor. Now you can see here in this page there are 16 email address. I don't need to check this manually. It can be seen on this extension. You can see here there are lots of email address. Now just simply click on this select icon. Then if you want to unselect some of these, you can unselect this and download this copy on your device with TXT and CSV options. I hope you love this video. If you love this video and find it helpful, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video, and also check other video of this free tools, free extension or free informative videos. I'm regularly updating this type of short and easy tutorial video on this YouTube channel, so don't forget to press the subscribe button for finance for beginners and also hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.